Okay, this is my unboxing for my SmallRig that I purchased from Amazon. It's a wireless remote control for Sony cameras. It's packaged very nicely, sturdy little box. And there is that little SmallRig right there. It comes with the instructions and 2 batteries, which is very important because I couldn't tell until I got it. Very glad that they had the batteries in there. So there's that. And then here is the hookups, I'm sure, that go with it. Yep, an Allen wrench and a screw so that you can hook that to anything that you need. So that's the unboxing of my Sony SmallRig remote control for video and photo.
What's up, Amazoners? For those of you asking questions about the SmallRig shutter remote for the Sony, I have it mounted on my A7R, and overall I really do like it. It was a pretty easy setup. Once I got the initial setup going on, it's just a matter of turning it on and it connects automatically. The one downside I have is that it mounts on the hot shoe here. I have it on the serial handle for the camera, and it will slide off very easy. The hot shoe clip does not mount solid, so what I did, I added a thumb screw. I believe it's a 1/4 inch, 20M, and I just mount it right in down to the handle. Therefore, no matter you bump it or anything, it's not going anywhere. So, you know, it's like $7 investment to keep control of your remote. Other than that, I really like it, and I believe it's worth the purchase for the price. Later.